Cleaned, polished, and ready for action. Now, let's run a final mechanical check before we take this Ensign out for a spin. The shutter speed is around 1/30th of a second, which is already quite slow. But to make matters worse, the shutter release is a bit stiff, requiring a constant force of 0.5 kilogram over a 10mm travel. Keeping this camera steady for a sharp shot is going to be a real challenge. Okay, it's time to load the film. For this session, I'm using a roll of Ilford FP4+. It's a black and white film with an ISO of 125. Using this 120 roll film will give 12 6x6cm frames. I headed out to put the camera through its paces in a few different shooting scenarios. Time to see what's on the roll. Let's develop it. Honestly, it's such a relief to see that everything worked out just fine. Before we look at the results, it turns out I reassembled the viewfinder incorrectly. To stay true to the camera's authenticity, I'm going to go back in and fix it. I'm just flipping the frame back to its original position, tightening the screws, and now it's looked much better. And here are the results. Out of the whole roll, this one is my favorite. I'd love to know which photo was your favorite, so let me know in the comments. And if you want to see the next restoration, don't forget to subscribe.